Step 1. Cut a 4 inches or 101.6 millimeter hole in the countertop material using a drill with a hole saw, a water jet, or CNC. This process is typically done in the stonemason's workshop, but can be done on-site following local regulations. It is recommended to have a professional stonemason handle this step. When opening your point pod box, gently remove the unit from the foam packaging to avoid damaging the cup. The point pod connect box will contain an outer ring that fits inside the mounting flange. The mounting flange has a fastening clip on its bottom. Step 2. Install the outer ring. Lower the outer ring into the hole until it is flush with the countertop. Apply a small bead of glue or silicone around the outer ring to secure it in place. Step 3. Install the mounting flange. Using the outer ring as a guide, glue the mounting flange to the underside of the countertop. Alternatively, it can be screwed in place through the provided holes. Ensure the mounting flange is level when finished. Allow the glue sufficient time to set before proceeding to the next step. Step 4. Install the point pod. Lower the point pod into position while tightening the fastening clip to hold the unit's weight, but still allow for adjustments. Note the directional arrow inside the top cup indicating the unit's front-facing direction. Ensure the gap around the top cup and countertop is even before firmly tightening the fastening clip. Step 5. Install the countertop disc. Adjust the 4 screws inside the top cup to accommodate different countertop thicknesses. Use a combination square to achieve the desired depth. Glue the disc in place and install it securely. Be sure to adequately line up all the features in the stone with the existing countertop. Step 6. Electrical connection. Plug the power cable into a wall socket and wait for 30 seconds for the unit to calibrate before activation. After the calibration period, press the top of the unit to activate the point pod. The first cycle will drive the unit down, and pressing again will make it rise out of the bench. The point pod is equipped with a mechanical motor for its up and down movement. Avoid forcing the unit down to prevent damaging the internal gears. For any product-related questions, please contact info@pointpod.com for assistance. Thank you for choosing PointPod.